Hello and welcome to World 5 Best's video on top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. These cameras are perfect for anyone who wants to take stunning photos and videos without breaking the bank or learning complicated settings. We have done the hard work of researching the information and features of each camera, and we have ranked them according to their awesome factor. You can check out the links to each product in the description below. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Now, let's dive into our list of the 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6000. The camera has an ultra-fast autofocus that makes it one of the best mirrorless cameras available. It has an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 and is equipped with an electronic viewfinder and an APS-C CMOS sensor. The camera has a compact design, with a weight of 344 grams. The Sony Alpha A6000 delivers excellent photo quality, but it's not best in class in low light. However, it remains one of the best Sony cameras as well as one of the best mirrorless cameras thanks to its still great performance and sheer value for money. The camera has a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers sharp images with accurate colors and good dynamic range. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity that allows you to share your photos instantly with your smartphone or tablet. The camera can shoot full HD videos at 60 frames per second with stereo sound. The Sony Alpha A6000 is compatible with E-mount lenses that are designed specifically for Sony's mirrorless cameras. It also has a wide range of accessories available such as flashes, microphones, and grips that can enhance your shooting experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile camera with interchangeable lenses that delivers excellent photo quality and has an ultra-fast autofocus, then Sony Alpha A6000 is definitely worth considering. With its compact design, extensive feature set, and excellent performance, it's one of the best mirrorless cameras available in the market today. Number 4. Nikon D3500. The D3500 is a 24-megapixel camera with an APS-C CMOS sensor that produces high-quality images and videos. The APS-C sensor is larger than the sensors found in most compact cameras and smartphones, which means it can capture more light and produce better images. The camera is designed with the new photographer in mind and features a guide mode that will essentially teach you how to shoot in various situations. This mode is perfect for beginners who are just starting out and want to learn more about photography. The D3500 is cheaper, lighter, and has a longer battery life than the D3400 that it replaced. It's also very easy to use, with a simple interface that makes it easy to navigate through the camera's settings. The D3500 2-lens kit includes 2 matched lenses to help you cover all the angles. The kit includes an AF-PDX Nikkor 18 to 55mm f divided by 3.5-5.6G VR lens and an AF-PDX Nikkor 70 to 300mm f divided by 4.5-6.3G ED lens. The D3500's video features are quite basic, and you won't find things like in-camera video stabilization, newer codecs like HEVC, or RAW video capture. However, it's still capable of producing high-quality videos. Overall, the Nikon D3500 is an excellent option for anyone who wants to get into photography or videography. It's easy to use, produces great results, and won't break the bank. Number 3. Nikon Z50. This camera features a 20.9 MP CMOS sensor, which provides excellent image quality and detail. It also has an electronic viewfinder, which makes it easy to compose your shots and see exactly what you're capturing. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z50 is its 180-degree front-facing screen, which is perfect for selfies and vlogging. The camera also has a default shooting mode dial on top, and twin dials to control the exposure, making it easy to adjust your settings on the fly. The Z50 is designed around Nikon's revolutionary Z mount, which is the widest lens mount of any comparable camera system. This means that you can use a wide variety of lenses with this camera, giving you more creative options when it comes to your photography. The Nikon Z50 also has a fast autofocus system that can track moving subjects with ease. This makes it perfect for capturing action shots or sports events. In addition to its impressive features, the Nikon Z50 is also very compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. It's perfect for travel photography or for taking on outdoor adventures. Overall, the Nikon Z50 is an excellent camera that offers a lot of features and capabilities in a compact package. Whether you're an amateur photographer looking to take your skills to the next level or a professional looking for a reliable camera that can handle any situation, the Nikon Z50 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This camera has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that combines with the powerful Digic 8 processor for amazing performance and results. It is equipped with 4K recording capability, Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, and a vari-angle LCD for selfies and fun angles. The camera also offers iDetect AF and cropped 4K capture. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is perfect for first-time SLR users, aspiring photo enthusiasts, or anyone looking to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. It's also great for vloggers who want to create high-quality content without carrying around heavy equipment. The camera's Digic 8 processor provides fast autofocus and image processing speeds, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. The dual-pixel CMOS AF system provides smooth and accurate autofocus when shooting photos or videos in live view mode. The camera also features an optical viewfinder that lets you see exactly what you're shooting in real time. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 also offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, making it easy to share your photos and videos with friends and family. You can also use your smartphone or tablet as a remote control for your camera, allowing you to take photos and videos from a distance. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a high-quality camera that's easy to use and produces stunning results. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just starting out, this camera is sure to exceed your expectations. Number 1. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. A retro-styled mirrorless camera that has a stabilized Micro Four Thirds image sensor and records video at 4K quality. The camera has a 20MP live MOS sensor, which is a boost from the previous generation's 16MP sensor. The Mark IV also features a compact in-body image stabilization system that can reduce shake by up to 4.5 stops. The camera is a solid starter camera with support for swappable lenses and a big lens catalog backing it up. It's perfect for those who want to take their photography to the next level without breaking the bank. The camera has a lot of features that make it stand out from other cameras in its class. For example, it has a flip-down touchscreen that makes it easy to take selfies and vlogs. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which makes it easy to transfer photos and videos to your phone or computer. One of the best things about this camera is its autofocus system, which is fast and accurate. It also has face detection autofocus, which makes it easy to take portraits of people. Another great feature of this camera is its battery life. It can take up to 360 shots on a single charge, which is impressive for a mirrorless camera. Overall, we think the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is an excellent camera for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. It's packed with features that make it easy to use, and it produces high-quality images and videos that are sure to impress. And that's it for our list of the 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. We hope you learned something new and found the perfect camera for your needs. If you did, please show us some love by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. And if you don't want to miss any of our future videos, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. We appreciate your support and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, happy shooting.